Boss, set the trend, set the trend. We set the trend, set the trend, set the trend. We set the trend. Them a follow we not follow them. We set the trend. If you see me in the Benz or the BM, we set the trend. When you talk about flossing, it's a boss thing. We set the trend. When you see me in the street, the entourage.
Hi, good day vlog world. Skylife TV. I'm just coming back to you from Saturday. Today is Monday. I never get to vlog again because I'm gonna show you one view. It's a killer view from where I work. Very, very, very killer. Check it out, the sun, huh? You can't see? You can't see good. Let's see out there, so. Yeah, I'm gonna take the elevator and things. Can't see good, yo. I'm gonna see better now. So, I never get to come back to you guys on Saturday because I was busy and stuff. Didn't get to do much vlogging. Thank you. After get that view. What's your view from where I work? Pretty nice view. If you ever drop over there, so I'm showing you next time. Pretty nice view of Montego Bay. No. Reminiscing of you. That's the airport. We'll zoom in. That's the airport over there, so. Wanna see when I plane sitting there? We'll zoom in for me. Airport. Get blurry, hold on. Yeah, so the airport they're over there, so down there, so me I go. See road? Yeah, me I take the elevator. I told you guys that I'm doing a detox. I'm starting the gym today. Today is Monday. Yeah. I have on me. My waist trainer something already from morning. I kill me. I need to get one tighter one though. I need to get one belt, one exercise belt. So guys, if you know anybody or where I can get an exercise belt, please leave a comment below. Yes, I need one exercise belt. Me I go exercise now, but before I go, I'm gonna get something to eat. I had a shake today for my breakfast. Going in the elevator. I had a shake today for my not for my breakfast, for my lunch. So I feel hungry now and stuff. I finally curl under my ear. But I'm putting in ear because the time's so hot. Now I'm sitting. But yeah, this is me. I'm gonna walk to the gym. The gym is right down the road. I'm gonna give you a view of the beach and Margaritaville and little place there. I'm sitting. So keep it locked. Skylife TV. Remember to subscribe. So guys, this is my view. Stephanie can't see Margaritaville. I can't see Margaritaville Friday, so I'm past there already. But I had to get something to eat. I can't believe I just eat that on my way to the gym. Like seriously, there was nothing else to eat anyways, so I did have to eat something. I could have afforded to drop down. I'm going to try to cross this road. So the gym is not far from here, so I'm heading there and hoping to burn off. I'm just eat. So ashamed, I can't tell you guys. But soon later, I'll come here walk. People just gonna work out, mash up, literally work out like zero.
Let me tell you something. This is what I keep saying. I don't want to keep you more responsible.
Now go on now.
You can't even eat the food. So I'm
work out was They really, look how me look mash up from here. Yes, I'm going to go now. They'll call me drive. Next time I try and vlog the actual exercise. But it's too caught up today to actually vlog it. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Come on down. We need an exercise partner, so we need to come and sit. Later. Hey guys, what's up? Today is day 2 of the gym. Right now, I just done put on my clothes and make exercise, you know. I come out just when I like. And so I start sweat already. So I start sweat? Think about when I start exercise, how you go look. And the extra, like I just always a sweat. It's like about 6 o'clock now. I'm going to exercise for like 2 hours or so. And then go home. Like I'm so sweating already just by putting on my clothes like crazy. So keep up to date with me. You know this is the second gym event. Yesterday was day 1, today is day 2. So subscribe to keep up to date with me guys on this journey of losing 30 pounds. 30 pounds more and take off. So having this vlog, it kind of hold me accountable, you know. If you say, boy, remember me say, like when me looking at myself, me say, remember say, you tell the people them say, you want to lose 30 pounds at your guy gym. Now you go look away if me just a vlog and I'm not at the gym, you know. So it kind of have me guilty away, cause me left me back up at my workplace, like which is like a half an hour walk from here. And you know, so I actually turn back, take the elevator, go back for it. We show you how dedicated I am to this journey. So kudos to me. Yo, give me video a thumbs up if you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna work out. My ear already wet. I'm gonna start it. Sitting. But keep it locked. Me again. Leaving the gym now. Had a pretty long exercise. It's around 2 8 now. I'm there from after 6. And at 2 8 now. And it's time to go home and things. So I'll see you guys. This is day 2 of the gym and stuff. So this is the gym guy right here. So yeah. Tell him which gym to come.
Mighty Move Health Club, cannot miss it.
What's your contact number?
My contact number is 879-8293.
You hear that? Mighty Move Gym. And the number 879-8293. I need a gym partner so they can come down. And they can link me, message me, leave a comment below if you don't want more info. And go exercise. And thing. Later.
My style and the news. My style and the news. From the day in the US. Spell my name with 2 S. Boss, set the trend.